You are house cleaning while you listen to some righteous tunes. Your wife is returning with a heavy bag of yummy groceries. You cannot hear her pounding on the door. Good thing you cleaned that couch. You'll be sleeping on it for a while. Then you need a Dozener Smart Doorbell. The Dozener Smart Doorbell can be fitted to any door or frame. The pull ring can bear up to 25 kg of force. It's waterproof. No raining on this party. Cold proof, down to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Cool. Heat proof, up to 60 degrees Celsius. That's hot. The Dozener Smart Doorbell is not easy to steal. The Dozener Smart Doorbell comes with app notification, remote communication. You can authorize others to answer for you if you are not able.
Hello, you can just leave it on the doorstep, thanks.
The Dozener gives you alarm detection up to 30 feet, built-in burglar alarm with night vision and a motion sensor.
Get out!
Loved ones can receive messages and communicate with you through the Dozener speaker.
Hi babe, I'll be home soon. Love you.
Never sacrifice the security of your home again. Listen to the music from the Dozener speaker. The app will notify you when the doorbell is rung. No more nights on the couch. Everyone is happier and more secure with the Dozener Smart Doorbell. Dozener Smart Doorbell with TWS speaker. Your most user-friendly 365-day security camera.
Carbon is introducing a next-generation at-home training system designed to give you real results.
Carbon.
Let's work out.
Carbon can be revolutionary because it's taking the best of everything and it's putting in all one solution. Sensors provide something that's essential to any type of coaching.
You can attach the sensors to any equipment you have, such as dumbbells, kettlebells, or barbells, and this unlocks more tracking data, like your total load, your explosiveness, and this gives you more insight on your progress.
A lot of women have a fear of getting bulky when they do strength training, and that's totally wrong. The only way you can lose fat is to gain muscle. I never realized that with strength training would get me the body of my dreams. And I was not bulky, I was fit like hell, and I was so happy. I have 2 small kids, so I don't have the opportunity to go to the gym when I want to.
Fundamentally, I think I'm angry. We're in the year 2020. Why are people still trying to figure out how to get fit?
You guys got 2 more. Last one.
Having a personal trainer is the gold standard. You can see that in Hollywood, you can see that in sports. We're able to take a lot of that experience and virtualize it, make it available to people at a fraction of the money. Within Carbon, we have depth sensing cameras which see the world in 3D. We can see what position you're in, how you're performing exercises, and we're able to compute all sorts of things based on that, like your performance metrics, your time under tension, the angles that you're using to lift, and most simply, the rep count. So we can keep track of how much work you're doing. So it'll recommend lower weights or higher difficulties. If you start to struggle with the last rep or the last 2 reps, it knows it's pushed too far.
I still have the workout journals that I kept every workout in. What I realized with Carbon is it's doing that but in a digital way, keeping you not only on track, but again, helping you set that new standard for yourself every workout.
We're gonna drop down for a set of squats in your quads and your hamstrings.
The community part is you see someone else going through some struggle. What it does is it says to you, keep going.
Almost done, Carbon.
You're looking over at this other person saying, I don't need to outdo him, I need to outdo myself.
Great job, Carbon. My name is AJ.
You don't need to have any of your own equipment. You can order our weights and plates. The more you use Carbon, the more it learns about your workouts.
If I were to take a home gym experience and revisit it and have Carbon be my starting point, I'd be so excited to see where I am right now.
Introducing Vankyo Leisure 520W. A mini projector makes your cinematic experience portable. The latest Wi-Fi connectivity is compatible with both iOS and Android system. Featuring M-Star Advanced Color Engine and 5000:1 contrast, Leisure 520W provides vivid colors and crisp images, which is 80% brighter than other mini projectors today. Vanco Leisure 520W can also connect directly to your smartphone or laptop via USB Lightning cable, making it easy to enjoy content from any devices. With native 1080p supported resolution, as well as an ultra-extended battery life of light bulb. The Pico projector is ideal for a loner and clearer watching experience. Allow you to enjoy the highest end of the cinema anytime, anywhere. Vanco, share moment, shape vision.
So with years of research and development, I developed Pumpkey. Pumpkey works great as a servant, and he is never just a robot. I also implement a modular design with on-demand configurations.
We actually want to be able to talk to our owner at any time. Therefore, we implemented a remote communication system inside Pumpkey. It not only lets us talk to the owner, but also with the 1080p high-resolution camera, we allow the owner to see our graceful body figure, no matter. We also added a snack box that can hold 11 snacks. We left a spot for our favorite toy, of course. Remember the modular design we talked about? Check it out. After we place a robotic arm on it, Pumpkey is able to help clean our bathroom right away. Good job. What exactly do we need from a servant? He has to be wherever we want him to be at all times on all occasions. So we equipped Pumpkey with a remote control function, which not only can move in all directions, but also has a unique tire design that allows him to move freely between carpet floors.
With our module design, this won't be a problem anymore. Simply install our Treat Pod module on Pumpkey, and your snack load instantly increases to 100 snacks. And my personal favorite is that I can play games with my master using Treat Pod. So you see, with our module design, Pumpkey could help you implement tons of functions as long as you need. Again, we developed Pumpkey to help create happiness and bring healthy living surroundings to both us and our owners. Back us today and let your little sweetheart meet Pumpkey sooner.